artists, and welcome back to our treehouse project. So now we are on the second week of working on our treehouse design. So what that means for this week is you are going to use any materials you have at home to help you trace your designs and to help you color in your designs. So for this you can really use whatever you've got available. So I'm going to pull out some Sharpies. If you don't have Sharpies to trace things in that you want to trace, another option for you could be a pen. If you have a dark color in a pen, or really any marker, that would work to kind of trace over some of your designs. So I'm going right into my treehouse, and the first thing I'm going to do is just trace all of my designs. Now, something that I included in my treehouse that you did not need to include, but you could if you wanted to, was these little captions that are just kind of explaining what everything is, and that's going on in my treehouse, because like on my design, like I did on my design, I kind of showed what is going on inside my treehouse. Not everyone did that, and that is totally okay. If you just did an outside view, that's totally fine too, and you won't need to worry about tracing over any of those little captions. But I included them. So for mine, I'm going to switch over to a thin Sharpie. And I know I'm not done tracing everything, but I'm actually not going to trace everything in this demo because you'd be here for a long time watching me. But just like always, I am going to include this finished, traced, and colored in design right on our Google Classroom assignment as well. So you can view that file and you can take a look at what this looked like when I was all done, okay? So just switch into my ultra thin Sharpie, tracing over some of these words here. Okay, and if I wanted to trace maybe the trees in some more color, I'm going to switch to just a Crayola marker. And like I said before, you are just going to use whatever you have available to you at home, okay? Because I know you're working from home, you don't have all of the art supplies that I might have available here, so just use whatever you've got available, okay? So I'm just going to trace over some of these details here. And I know this tree is just filled with all different lines, so I'd probably go in and trace over all those lines. Like I said before, I won't keep you here the whole time to watch me trace every little detail I've got here. So that's just some of what I'm going to work on today. And then I might switch over to a crayon and begin coloring in some of these details, okay? So I am going to work on this for the whole class today. You are going to work on this for the whole class today as well, okay? And you are going to trace over all of your designs, make it really clear what everything is going on in your treehouse design, and then if you have colored materials, definitely you want to use full color to color everything in. Now I understand you might not. If you don't, you're just going to take a once through, look through, add any little finishing details you can, but you should not be done with this within the first 10 minutes of class, so really use the class time today to get an awesome finished treehouse design, and then, as always, sign your work, just like I did last week. Take a photo of what you've done today and turn in that photo through the assignment in the Google Classroom, and then you can leave the meet and you will be all set for today. So good luck, artists, have fun, and I will see you next week.